Hi, I'm Captain Sarah with Chesapeake Boating Academy and TowBoatUS Kent Narrows and Apps Narrows, here today with BoatUS. Boating can be unpredictable. Dams can open, leaving debris in the water, crab pods, lobster pods, or even maybe a person that popped off of a tube. Today, we're going to teach you the proper way to do an avoidance turn. This is going to be a maneuver that teaches you how to avoid an object in the water so that your bow and stern both stay clear of it. Driving a boat is different than driving a car because it steers from the stern. Therefore, it creates a pivot point. Generally, a pivot point is about a third to half the way back on a boat. We're going to do two different avoidance turns today. We're going to do one at displacement speed and another one on planing speed. We're going to drop this mark in the water and use this to avoid. One really important thing that you need to remember when you're practicing these turns is that when you turn quickly, the inertia can throw people out of the boat. So it's extremely important that you announce nice and loud, "Hold on, I'm getting ready to turn the boat," so that your crew has time to hold on or sit down. This is a pretty simple maneuver. We're gonna head straight for the object in the water. When we're about 2 to 3 boat lengths away, we're gonna shout nice and loud, "Hold on." Then we're gonna steer at a 45-degree angle away from the object. Before the bow of our boat passes it, we're gonna do a tight turn back towards the object. This will kick the stern, the back of the boat, away from the object. Once we're past it, we're gonna resume our course and keep going straight ahead. Now we're gonna do this maneuver on a plane. When we're going fast, this maneuver is gonna be a little bit different. The boat's gonna handle slightly differently. It's gonna tend to slide out a bit more. There's also gonna be a lot more inertia that can throw people out of the boat. So you need to be very aware of what this maneuver will do when you have guests aboard. Now that we've done this maneuver, you know the safest way to avoid an object in the water by kicking your stern away from it so that you don't have a prop strike or get anything fouled in your prop. It's also potentially a way to save a life. Make sure that you practice this before you actually have to go out and do it. If you'd like to learn more skills like this, check out BoatUS on-water training to find a boating school near you. Thanks for watching our video. Let us know if you've tried the avoidance turn or if you've had to avoid anything in the water. If you like this video, please like us and subscribe below. We'll see you on the water.